Now we will learn about how to find the reciprocal. Here we have in minus 3 power 2. So first you have to simplify. If you want to simplify, so we write minus 3 how many times? 2 times. Why should we write 2 times? Because power is 2. So minus 3 should be written how many times? 2 times. So minus 3 into minus 3. When you multiply, 3 3 is 9 and minus 1 will become plus. Okay, so what we get here? Plus 9. Here we can write reciprocal of minus 3 power 2 is equal to is 9. We have written here minus 3 power 2 is equal to 9. Now you can find out the reciprocal of 9. We had already learned that how to find out the reciprocal. 9 is 1 upon 9 because when you find their product you get 1. We had already learned. Okay. So is 1 upon 9. Minus 3 upon power minus 2. Directly also you can write here because power positive is a become power negative. If you want to write in exponential form, this is the way to get the answer. Now here, this one minus 10 upon 11 power 3 is equal to how many times we should write? 3 times. Minus 10 upon 11 into minus 10 upon 11 into minus 10 upon 11. When you solve it, 10 10 is 100, 100 multiply 10, you get 1000 minus 1000 because minus minus plus plus minus minus. Now here in denominator 11 multiply 11 so you get 121. 121 multiply by 11 so you get 1331. Now reciprocal we can write here reciprocal of minus 10 upon 11 power 3. This we have written is equal to this so we have written here. Now you easily find out the reciprocal just opposite of it minus 1000 upon 1331. What is the inverse of it? Minus 1331 upon 1000. Another way is there. The number will come same. Only power positive become negative. If there is a negative, the power become positive. Keep remember. Now let's see in this question. Here 7 upon 8 power negative. I want to simplify it. So first you have to make its power positive. You know how to make power positive? To write the reciprocal of 7 upon 8. So we write here 7 upon 8 become 8 upon 7. Now power negative become positive. Now 8 upon 7 power 2. So how many times you will write? 2 times. 8 upon 7 into 8 upon 7. Now you simplify. At 8 just 64. 7 7 just 49. So we got here 64 upon 49. Now easily you find out the reciprocal of this 64 upon 49. So we have written here 7 upon 8 power minus 2. Reciprocal of 7 upon 8 minus 2 is equal to 64 upon 49. And what is the reciprocal of 64 upon 49 is 49 upon 64. Another way directly if you want to find out that this number remains same. The number in the bracket remains same, only power negative become positive. If directly if you want to find out, there is a difference between this and this. Keep remember. Here we are writing the direct reciprocal. Okay, and here what is the reciprocal actual? 7 upon 8 power minus 2 is equal to 49 upon 64 or 7 upon 8 power 2. What if? Find the value of the following. Find the value of the we have to find the value of these questions. How will you find out the value? It is very simple. If you want to solve this, it becomes very easy. 19 power minus 19 plus 19 to become minus 19 plus 19. What we get here? 0. And we are using the formula if any number non-zero, any non-zero integer having power 0, it becomes 1. This rule you have to keep in your mind. This rule we will use in all these questions. What we get here is equal to 1. Here also. How will you solve it? Minus 70. 2 9 ja. First you have to solve the power. 2 9 ja 18. So we write here 18. Then minus 10 and minus 8. Both having the same sign. So they will be added. We can write here minus 18. This is negative sign. And this 18 having positive sign. Both 18 having opposite sign. So they will be subtracted. If subtracted, so what we get here? Minus 17 power 0. This formula a to power 0 is equal to 1. So we can write here by using this a is equal to 1. By using this formula. So what we get here? Answer 1. Now here 1 power 0 minus 3 power 0 bracket close into 7 power 0 plus 2 power 0. So we can write here 1 1 Here 1 plus 1. Now 1 minus 1, what do you get here? 0. And here 1 plus 1, 2. And you multiply 2 into 0. What you get the answer? 0. This is your answer. So next, it is also very simple. 1 plus 1 plus 1. What we get here? Answer 3. So here, don't tell me which first we have to multiply or first we should divide. Yes, first we have to solve this division sign. If I want to solve this division sign, so we will use the reciprocal property of a rational number. If I want to change the division sign into multiplication, so I need to write the reciprocal of this number. If I write the reciprocal of this number, so 9 upon 2 becomes 2 upon 9. Let's see. 2 upon 9 power 10 into 2 upon 9 power 2 will come as it is. So division sign I want to convert into multiplication. So I am using the reciprocal property. Division sign converted into multiplication, and 9 upon 2 becomes 2 upon 9 power 10. Also you can write here, since the reciprocal of, you can write here reciprocal of 9 upon 2 power 12 is 2 upon 9 power 12. You can write. Now we should be able to use, now bases are same, so power will be added. This formula we are going to use. Which formula we are going to use? Here I am writing a to the power m, a to the one shortcut I am writing here a to the power m plus n, this formula. Okay, so here you can write 2 upon 9, all this power will be added. So 10 plus 2 plus 12, it becomes 2 upon 9, 12 to 14, 14 to 2, 10, 24. This is your answer. Got it? Look here. Simplify, right? Simplify this question and write in exponential form. First question, minus 4 upon 9 power 8, divide minus 4 upon 9 power 4. Bases are same and there is a division sign. So we will use this law of exponent. Bases are same, there is a division sign, so power will be subtract. And minus n, here also this power will be subtract. Base we have to write only one time, so minus 4 upon 9. Base power 8 minus sign, because division sign is there, we have to put minus sign, then 4. 4 from 8, what we get here? 4 minus 4 upon 9 power 4. This is our required answer. In second number also, we will use the same formula I have written here. A upon b power m divide a upon b power n. Bases are same, the division side, the power will be subtract, m minus n. And that base we have to write only one time. Here base minus 3.7, so we have written one time, and this power will be subtract to 9. And minus sign, we have to put the minus sign, then 13. Now you subtract here. When you subtract, so what do you get here? Minus 4. So minus 3 upon 7 will come as it is. Power, what will be left? What will be left here? Minus 4. So we have written minus 4. Now this negative power we can convert into positive. How can you make? By using the laws of exponent. Here a upon b power minus m is equal to b upon a power m. We write the reciprocal, so negative power become positive. So b upon m become. Here I here minus 7 upon 3 power positive. 3 upon 7 becomes 7 upon 3, and its power negative becomes positive. Keep remember. Now in third number, here also we have to do the law of exponent. When there is a power inside the bracket and outside there is a one more power, the power will be multiply. Here m into n. Here also in this case, minus 2 and minus 4 will be multiplied. 5 upon 7 will come 18. Minus 2 multiply by minus 4, to minus 2 multiply minus 4, 4 to the 8, minus minus plus, so we got 8 here, power 8, 5 upon 7 as it is. This is our required answer. Now next one, here bases are same but there is a multiplication sign. If there is a multiplication sign and bases are same, so you can use this law of exponent. So as for this rule, what will you do here? The power will be added. When bases are same, there is a multiplication sign between them. So power will be added. Power will be added. M plus n here also, and base we have to write one time. So we are using this law of exponent. So 2 upon 9 we have written one time minus 5 plus then 3. When 2 upon 9 minus 5 plus 3. Now here you can subtract because both numbers having opposite sign. When you subtract 3 from minus 5, you get minus 2. 2 upon 9 minus 2. Now this negative power also we can convert in positive. We again use this law of exponent. A upon b power minus m is equal to b upon a power n. So 2 upon 9 becomes 9 upon 2. This negative power becomes positive. So we have written here 9 upon 2 power 2. This is your required answer. Further, you can solve it. You can simplify. If you simplify it, you will get the answer 81 upon 84. Got it? Now, find the value. We have to find the value of this question. How will you find out the value? It is very easy. First number 8 to the power minus 1 upon 3. Like this question, you will solve in 9th class. These questions are not included in our chapter, but I am explaining you. Okay, questions are very easy. Okay, here 8 minus 1 upon 3. How will you find out the value? It is very simple. You have to see here rational number. Its numerator is 1 and denominator is 3. So here you should find out the factor of 8. When you find the factors of 8, so what you find here? 2 for the 2 to the prime factors. Which factor you have to find? Prime factor. Keep remember. Here, like here 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. How many times we are getting 2? 3 times. In place of 8, what we can write? 2 power 3. We can write here. We can write here. Put is equals to sign and write it 2 power 3. Okay. Outside of the bracket, the power will be same. Now we'll use the formula. Which formula will use? A to the power m and a to the power n. If power is the one power is inside the bracket, other power is outside of the bracket. The power will be multiplied. So we can write here a to the power m into n. This law of exponent we will use here. So how can you write here? 2 power 3 into minus 1 upon 3. Now you can cancel easily. This 3 cancel, this 3 cancel. What is the power of 2? Is minus 1. The negative power can be converted in positive. Which formula? If any number having negative power, then its power become positive. You can write 1 upon n like that. Here it become 1 upon 2 power 1 means what? 1 upon 2. This is your required answer. You can say that what is the value of 8 to the power minus 1 upon 3 is 1 upon 2. Now next question, it is also very simple. Second number 25 upon 49 power minus 1 upon 2. Okay, here when you find out the factor of 25, let's find out factor of 25. 5 5 is 25, 5 is 5. 25 is equal to 5 into 5. We can write a 5 power 2. And what is factor of 49? 7 7 is 49. Prime factors. Okay, 7 into 7. So we can write here 7 power 2. What is the prime factor of 25? 5 power 2. So we can write here 5 power 2 and 7 power 2. So this can be written as 5 power 2 and 7 power 2 in the bracket. And this minus 1 upon 2. Same formula. Same formula will use your power inside the bracket and outside the bracket. Power will be multiplied. So we can write here 5 upon 7. 2 into minus 1 upon 2. This 2 to cancel. What we get here? Minus 1. We can write here 5 upon 7. Power minus 1. Now its power we want to make it positive. How will you make its power positive? By using this formula. 5 upon 7 becomes 7 upon 5. Power is 1. We can reduce 7 upon 5. Got it? Now next question. Third number. The third number is also very easy. Directly I am saying you. third number, we can solve it. 32. If you find out the factor of 32, so what we get here? 5 times you get. Directly I am saying this 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 upon 5. You get 2 power 5 outside of the bracket. Now you multiply 5 into 2 upon 5. This 5 cancel. So what we get here? 2 power 2 means what? 2 into 2 is equal to 4. This is your answer. 4. So what is the value of 32? The power 2 upon 5 is 4. Okay. These questions are very important. You will solve in 9th class. And right now also you are solving. Now evaluate. We have to evaluate this. How will you evaluate? 1 will come as it is. We can write here 1. This division sign can be converted into multiplication. How can you make it convert this into multiplication? If you write the reciprocal of this. What is the reciprocal of this? Minus 3 power 5 upon minus 2 power 5 becomes, here first we have to write here division into multiplication. And what is the reciprocal of this? Then what is the reciprocal of this? The reciprocal of this will be minus 2 the power 5 upon 3 to the power 5. And how many times you can write now? 5 times to be write here 1 into minus 2 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 upon minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Now we are not able to cancel directly. We multiply. When you multiply 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 6 to the 32, 32 when they are 32. We get here 32. What will be the sign? Minus, minus, plus, plus, minus, 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 plus, and plus, minus, minus. One more way is there. I taught you if the negative sign, number of integers is odd. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 odd. So negative sign will come. In the same case, 3 3 is 9, and 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81, and 81 3 is 243. We can write here 243. Here we can write here minus. So this minus minus become plus, because minus divided by minus to become plus. So what is the answer? 32 upon 243. This is our answer. Okay. Here we have used the reciprocal. So you can write here reciprocal. Reciprocal of minus 3 power 5 upon minus 2 power 5 is minus 2 power 5 and minus 3 upon power 5 after this step. Now here we have to simplify. Evaluate. First we have to make this negative power into positive. So how do you make here? This become 1 upon minus 3 power 2 by which formula? And you know that which formula we are using actually? A upon b power minus m become b upon e power positive. This formula we are using. Keep remember. So 1 upon minus 3 power 2. So how many times this 3 should be written? 2 times to be I written minus 3 into minus 3. When you multiply, what we get here? 1 upon 9. 3 3 9 minus 1 becomes plus. Now next. Here the same way. Same formula we have to use this power negative 2 into positive. So it becomes 7 minus upon 1. But no need to write 1 out. This power become positive. Now minus 7. How many times you write here? 3 times. Minus 7 multiply minus 7 multiply minus 7. Upon 1 no need to write. Here now you can multiply 7 7 yeah 49 and 49 multiply 7. So what you get here? 343. Now what will be the sign? Minus minus become plus, plus minus minus. To which sign we have to put minus? 7 we have to give there a number of 1 2 3 3. 3 times a negative sign is coming. So it means the sign will come because a odd number of times. Here minus 2 upon 5 power minus 5 into minus 2 upon 5 power 3. Here we can use the laws of exponent. Bases are same. So power will be added. Which formula we are going to use here? E upon B power m multiply a upon b power n. Bases are same, so power will be added. So we can write here a upon b power m plus n. This formula we are going to use here in this question. How can we write here? Minus 2 upon 5. We can write only one time. Bases are same. The power will be 8. Become minus 5 plus 3 is equal to minus 2 upon 5. Okay. This negative is positive. You subtract 3 from 5. So what you get here? Minus 2. We write here minus 2. Now this negative power we want to convert in positive. So which formula will use? This formula. So we can write here minus 2 upon 5 become minus 5 upon 2 power 2. If you want to write so this formula again you can write here by using a upon b power minus m is equal to b upon a to the power n. This formula also you can write here in bracket by using in front of this step. Now how many times we should write this? 2 times. So we can write here minus 5 upon 2 multiply minus 5 upon 2. Now you multiply. So you multiply 5 5 the 25. 2 to the 4. This is your answer. Also you can change in a mixed fraction if you want to change. 4 6 are 24. 6 whole 1 upon 4. This is the way to get the answer. Minus plus, that's why I get the sign there. What if